Guys, I want to bring you another product that I have at my bar. It's my outdoor bar here. Okay, and it's another product that I use. I've been through a lot of ice makers, and by far none, this is the best one right here. This is the GE Profile Ice Maker, and it basically is one drawer. It makes Nugget ice. Okay, and this is by far the best ice maker I've ever had. I'll tell you, I've had them all. I've had all the small little ice makers. This, you do add water to it down here at the reservoir, but also you have the side tank. See this tank? It uses water when the reservoir is empty. And what's beauty about it is that as the ice melts, it continues producing ice. So you're always going to have ice here. It has a little blue light that turns on at nighttime. It's self-cleaning, so it'll clean itself. It's automatic. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful, wonderful ice maker. I recommend going to my page, my store, online store, hitting the link right below on this post, and follow the link to Amazon store and order it directly. This is a fantastic, fantastic product. I'm going to make a video on basically how to set it up and how to use it, so to help you out. But it doesn't take up a lot of space. It's out here at the bar. I have it on the side here so it doesn't bother anybody. And it's a great profile. I'll show it to you from the back. It basically has a hose that you could use to drain the water if you need to do anything with it. And basically on this side, you have there's two hoses, but if you use the side tank, you have to connect one hose to the side tank. And that's basically what it is. It's very simple to use. It's a beautiful, beautiful product. I have it outdoors, and it works perfectly fine as long as there's no sun hitting it directly. I love it. I've had probably about 4 or 5 ice makers, and this is by far the best one. This ice is absolutely delicious. It is very, very good ice. You could just pop it in your mouth and eat it any time, and I always have ice available here. So I hope you like it. Follow the link if you're looking for an ice maker for your home or for your bar, and it's just a wonderful product. Please follow the link, subscribe to my page, and I'll continue recommending products, and you'll see all the products that I use and like at my store. So follow me to my store, and you will find tons of products that I use and love. Thank you.